Question. Ask an AI about writing a book like Quran can be possible by an AI. As an AI language model, I am capable of generating text. But creating a book like the Holy Quran is beyond my capabilities. The Quran is considered to be the holy book of Islam, and it is believed to be a divine revelation from God to the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, through the angel Gabriel. The Quran is revered by over 1 billion Muslims worldwide, and its verses are considered to be a source of guidance, wisdom, and inspiration. Its language and style are considered to be unique, and it is revered for its eloquence and beauty. The task of writing a book like the Quran would require not only great skill and knowledge of the Arabic language, but also a deep understanding of Islamic theology, history, and culture. It would also require a profound spiritual connection with God, and the ability to convey divine truths and guidance in a way that inspires and uplifts humanity. As an AI language model, I am a tool that can be used to generate text, but the creation of a book like the Quran is an extraordinary feat that can only be accomplished by a person inspired and guided by God.